Let's talk about basic greetings and introductions. First is about basic introductions. If we're gonna say welcome in Tagalog, we're gonna say mabuhay. Good day. Magandang araw. Good morning. Magandang umaga. Good afternoon. Magandang tanghali. Good evening. Magandang gabi. If we're asking about other situations and how do we respond to it? How are you? Kamusta ka? I'm fine. Ayos lang. Thank you. Salamat. You're welcome. Walang anuman. Take care. Ingat. Take care always. Ingat lagi. You take care always. Mag-ingat ka palagi. If we're having interaction to others. Anong pangalan mo? I'm, and then insert your name. Ako si, and then insert your name. Where are you from? Taga saan ka? Where do you live? Saan ka nakatira? If we need assistance, let's say please. In Tagalog, makikisuyo. I want to ask a favor. Pakikisuyo po sana ako. Yes. Opo. No. Hindi. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Where? Saan? How? Paano? How to get there? Paano pumunta doon? How much is the fare? Magkano po ang pamasahe? Where do I alight? Saan ako bababa? Where is it going? Saan ito pupunta? Where are you going? Saan ka pupunta? Please, stop. Para po. If you want to bid farewell, you're gonna say goodbye. Paalam. I'm going home. Uwi na ako. Until then, until next time. Sa uulitin. How about saying sorry? I'm sorry. Pasensya na po. Paumanhin po. Now, we're gonna talk about 3 basic essential conversational Filipino phrases. Seeking assistance in Filipino. As you explore the local shopping and dining scene in the Philippines, you may find yourself needing assistance with direction or locating specific items. When seeking help, it's important to know some basic conversational Filipino phrases. Here's what you need to know. Can you help me? Pwede mo ba akong tulungan? Where is the location? Nasaan ang, and then insert the location. How do I get to location? Paano pumunta sa, and then insert the location. Can you please assist me in finding it? Paki-assist naman po ako sa paghanap. Can you give me an explanation? Pwede mo ba akong bigyan ng paliwanag? Let's talk about shopping and dining in Filipino. When navigating shopping and dining in the Philippines, it's essential to familiarize yourself with common conversational phrases and questions. Here are some basic words and phrases that will help you in your shopping and dining experience. Can I haggle? Pwede bang tumawad? How much is this? Magkano ito? What time is the closing time? Anong oras ang closing time? Are there vegetarian options? Meron bang vegetarian options? I want food and drink. Gusto ko ng, and then insert specific food and drink. Now, let's talk about navigating transportation in Filipino. Do you need to find the nearest ATM or figure out how to get to a specific location in Filipino? Let's now focus on navigating transportation in Tagalog. When learning Tagalog for transportation, it's essential to grasp these basic words. How do I get to location? Paano pumunta sa, and then insert the specific location. Left and right. Kaliwa at kanan. Straight. Diretso. Is this the way to location? Papunta ba to sa, and then insert the specific location. Where is the jeepney stop? Saan ang sakayan ng jeepney? Expressing feelings in Filipino. To express your feelings in conversational Filipino, you can use phrases such as masaya ako, I am happy, or malungkot ako, I am sad. Here are some more basic conversational Filipino phrases to help you express your feelings in Tagalog. I am delighted. Natutuwa ako. It's scary. Natatakot ako. It's annoying. Nakakainis.